Use your 15mm wrench to loosen both axle nuts. Carefully remove the rear wheel from the dropouts. Ensure the non-turn washers are to the outside of the dropouts before installing the rear wheel. Place the belt over the rear cog and lift the rear wheel up into the dropouts, ensuring that the disc rotor slides between both brake pads and that the axle is fully seated within the dropouts. After ensuring that the axle is fully seated within the dropouts, use your 15mm wrench to add torque to the axle nuts. It should be about 30 Newton meters, nice and tight, and check them after your first ride. Give the cranks a bit of rotation and make sure that everything is set and solid and running smooth.